Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Venkat Verma Chemistry YouTube channel. I am Venkat Verma, your host and chemistry enthusiast. In this session, we are going to learn all oxidation reactions. In organic chemistry. Yes, let's start our session. See, look at for the reaction. Hydrocarbons, oxidation to give alcohol. Hydrocarbon means carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon double bond, and carbon-carbon triple bond. Oxidation to give alcohol. Alcohols are oxidation to aldehydes and ketones, and aldehydes ketones oxidize to give carboxylic acids. Hydrocarbons oxidation to give alcohol. Alcohol oxidation to give aldehydes and ketones RCHO, RCOR, and aldehydes ketones oxidize to give carboxylic acid. So during oxidation, alcohol, and further oxidation, aldehyde, and complete oxidation to give carboxylic acid. See, look at for the hydrocarbons. See, alcohols are oxidation to give aldehyde ketone. Aldehyde ketones are converted to carboxylic acid. Yes, now hydrocarbons are converted to alcohol. Look at for the when hydrocarbons to alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid. See, reverse of carboxylic acid to aldehyde, that is a reduction process. Yes, carboxylic acid reduction to give aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes and ketone reduction to give alcohol. Yes, alcohols reduction with reduction to give hydrocarbons. Yes. Now look at for example, hydrocarbons, alcohols are oxidized to give carboxylic acid. Yes. Aldehydes oxidize to give carboxylic acid. Yes. Now hydrocarbons are oxidized to alcohol. Hydrocarbons are oxidized to give aldehydes and ketones. These are the product of the reaction. See, have a look for sequence, the oxidation of alkanes and oxidation of alkenes and oxidation of alcohols. Look at for the first one, oxidation of alkenes, carbon-carbon single bond, oxidation of methane, oxidation in presence of copper to give methanol. Yes, methane oxidation with copper when heated to give methanol. Methane oxidation with MO2O3, molybdenum oxide to give formaldehyde. Ethane oxidation with diestate manganese diestate to give carboxylic acid. Yes, now tertiary alkane in presence of KMnO4 to give alcohol. Yes, now alkane oxidation to give methanol. Methane with copper, the reagent is copper, we can use to give methanol. The reagent used molybdenum trioxide to give formaldehyde. Yes, ethane oxidation with manganese diestate to give carboxylic acid. In KMnO4 to give alcohol. Yes, look at for oxidation of alkenes. Alkenes oxidation in presence of dilute KMnO4 to give vinyl diol, OH and OH, adjacent to OH is a vinyl diol. Yes, propene oxidation with the same dilute KMnO4 solution to give vinyl diol. Yes, 1,2 diol. Yes, have a look for next reaction. See, alkene with KMnO4 to give ketone and carbon dioxide and H2O. So this is a carbon-carbon double bond with no hydrogen. Remember, no hydrogen. This can be converted to ketone. Yes, no hydrogen, carbon-carbon double bond with no hydrogen, it is converted to ketone. Yes, and CH2O oxidized to give carbon dioxide and water. Remember, no hydrogen it gives ketone. Let's have a look for this. Carbon-carbon double bond with hydrogen is present. Hydrogen is present to give carboxylic acid. To give carboxylic acid. Remember, carbon double bonded, no hydrogen, it oxidized to give ketone. Carbon-carbon double bond, one hydrogen is there, it is converted to carboxylic acid in presence of KMnO4 in H plus medium. KMnO4 in H plus medium. Yes, no hydrogen, presence of hydrogen. Presence of hydrogen. Yes, have a look for next reaction. Oxidation of methyl ketones. Methyl ketones oxidation to give what? Haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. So methyl ketone, this is a methyl ketone. Methyl ketone oxidation in presence of NaOH, sodium hypohalate, to give haloform. This is a haloform. This is a haloform. Methyl ketones oxidation to give haloform. Yes, I will look for next reaction. Oxidation of alcohol. So oxidation of alcohol, primary alcohol oxidation with chromium trioxide CrO3 to give aldehyde. Secondary alcohol to give ketones. Tertiary alcohol, no reaction. Tertiary alcohols are no reaction with CrO3. Oxidation of primary alcohol aldehyde, secondary alcohol ketones, and tertiary alcohol to give what is a product? No product, no reaction, no reaction. Yes. Next, see, have a look for next reaction. With copper oxidation, primary alcohol, copper when heated to give aldehydes. Secondary alcohol, it gives ketones. Tertiary alcohol, it gives alkenes. Remember, primary alcohol, copper to give aldehyde. Secondary alcohol in presence of copper, it gives ketones. Tertiary alcohol in presence of copper to give alkene. To give alkene. Remember. Yes. Now, have a look for next reaction. See. Primary alcohol in presence of KMnO4, secondary alcohol in presence of KMnO4, tertiary alcohol in presence of KMnO4 to give carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid. Have a look for next. Oxidation of aldehydes and ketone in presence of Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent. What is Tollens reagent? Ammoniacal silver nitrate solution is a Tollens reagent. Yes. Aldehydes, identification test for the aldehydes. See, RCHO in presence of ammoniacal solution to give carboxylate ion to give white precipitation. White precipitation. Yes, this is the oxidation of aldehydes. Oxidation of aldehydes. Look at for next reaction, failing test. Failing test. In presence of failing test, aldehyde with Cu2 plus 5OH minus to give cuprous oxide Ce2O. It is a red PPT. Red PPT is given. Red PPT is given. Yes, these are the oxidation reactions in organic chemistry. Yes, once again, look at for the reaction. See, have a look for reaction. All oxidation reaction. See, hydrocarbons oxidation to give alcohol, further oxidation to aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acids. Yes, look at further reaction. Oxidation of alkanes, different reagent, copper with methane to give methanol, molybdenum trioxide to in presence of methane to give formaldehyde, ethane oxidation, manganese diester to give carboxylic acid. Yes, in presence of KMnO4, it gives alcohols. Next, alkenes. Oxidation in presence of dilute KMnO4 to give vinyl diols. Vinyl diols. See. Next, alkenes with no hydrogen in presence of KMnO4 to give ketones. Presence of hydrogen, it gives carboxylic acids. Yes. Have a look for next reaction. Oxidation of primary alcohols to give aldehyde, secondary alcohols to give ketones, tertiary alcohols, no reaction. See. Primary alcohol in presence of copper to give aldehyde, secondary alcohol ketones, tertiary alcohols to give alkene. This primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol in presence of KMnO4 to give carboxylic acids. See, oxidation of aldehydes, ketones in presence of Tollens reagent. It gives wet precipitation. In failing solution to give red precipitation. Red precipitation. Yes, this is all oxidation reactions in organic chemistry. Yes, I hope like this video. Don't forget to share your friends. Don't forget to give like. If you find content is valuable, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.